Fakhr flays it with an offer. Typical Fakhr Zaman. Breaks the shackles and finds his first boundary. Whipped it. That's a wristy flick from Fakhr Zaman. Back-to-back boundaries. Crunched away. Save your legs, Fakhr Zaman. This is glorious piece of timing. More width and more punishment. He didn't look that. Now that's the line where there's only two fielders. Fakhr will come back for the second. Smashed. And it's gone all the way. Umpire might want to have another look.
Yeah, that's comfortable 6. That is a comfortable 6.
Smashed. One bounce over the fence. Take that, Shaheen Afridi. Fakhr Zaman finding his best touch.
Shaheen Afridi is a bit of a worried man. Have a look at that. It was within the stumps. But that's the risk he had to take. Because he believes in his abilities.
A bit of a warning from Amir.
Wow, what a shot by Fakhr Zaman. He was offered that width outside the off stump. Short ball offered, but luck is also smiling on Fakhr Zaman. Going for a big shot towards the onside bottom edge. And results another boundary. Once again in the air, and this time all the way for a maximum.
And unlike the previous delivery, he had every intention of hitting this one out of the park. And so he did.
Once again in the air, and what a way to finish the first 10 overs. And played in the air. Now they're coming back for the second, although they need to. Yes, they will need to make that. And this is the 38-50 for Fakhr Zaman, and an entertaining one for the sailor.
Raise of that bat. He knows the journey is long, but he's got the start that UMT Makhos wanted from him.
He's bowled those good deliveries in between. Oh, that's smacked into the crowd. He's nailed this one. Fakhr Zaman at his very best.
He creates some pace with the bat. Just a touch short. And Fakhr is square on that length.
Right on the off stump. And that is what he's trying. Oh, he was in the business, Imamul Haq. This will go for a boundary. This is what he's searching for.
Bang! Greeted with a 6. Shaheen Afridi. Fakhr Zaman once again no half measures when he decides to go big.
Have a boundary check and stay straight on the skirting. So I do believe this might be called a maximum.
Finally, Imran Javed signals 6. Oh, edge off the knee of the wicketkeeper. He's taken it and he is celebrating. Yeah, it was a huge deflection and it bounced off the knees of wicketkeeper Sajjad. But he was alert enough to grab the rebound, and Fakhr walks back.
To get rid of the pillar for UMT Makhos, Fakhr Zaman. A bit unlucky on that occasion as well. But Fakhr has been brilliant. He walks back after scoring 82.